Nayak. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my little world. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So today I'm going on an Austin trip. Austin एक city है जो it's around 3-4 hours from where I live, and I live in Dallas, Texas. And it's like my first trip with my friends, so I'm gonna be vlogging the whole thing, and you guys are gonna get to see. So I'm super excited, and just stay tuned. So it is currently 6:31, if you guys can see it, and as it's my first trip, I'm super excited. Me and my friend are here and one of our friend is picking us up, and I'm gonna go get
What happened to your voice?
because I just woke up, so I kind of sound like a chota aadmi. I'm just about to go shower, get ready, and put on a cute as best outfit. I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. Not in a minute, but like in an hour, because it's gonna take me a while. I'll see you all then. So here's my cute ass outfit. This skirt is from Wave. It's a store in USA. I don't know if it's there in India, but it's mostly in every mall. And then this sweatshirt is from H&M, and then I'm wearing regular Fila shoes with my dad's socks because I don't have long socks. So yes, look at me cutie pie. पूर्वी मेरी पहले तो मेरे YouTube चैनल को हाय बोल गाइस. ये पूर्वी है, सबको पता ही होगा पूर्वी कौन है. So I am with my friend. He picked us up from my house, and we're halfway there. Not really halfway there, but the weather is actually crappy. I freaking hate rain. But let's see. I hope it gets better and I can enjoy a little bit more. But I'll keep you guys updated. 4 hours later, we are finally here by our hotel. We are staying in Hyatt Place. And मेरे दूसरे जो दोस्त है, they are in the other car. And बहुत ज़्यादा traffic था, but we're here. And the weather was kind of crappy, but it's kind of sunny now. I hope it stays that way for the next 2 days. Acha, guys, check my pictures on Instagram. So now it's time for room tour. So, pehle we enter, right? And then we have a beautiful bathroom, mirror, shower, and then we go out. Then we have like a sofa area, whatever. Sophie kya hai yaar? And then we have a mirror, and this room is interconnected with my friend's room. So yes. Then we have like this desk thing, and then we have a TV. And then we have a closet. और तिजोरी भी है, तो अभी सोना जवाहरात कुछ छुपाना है तो छुपा सकते हैं. And then we have the best view. I mean, it's not the best view ever, but it's really pretty, as you guys can see it. And then we have another best view, which is the French Garden. And yes, that's it for my room tour, and it's gonna be a lot of fun.
Hey guys, so we're heading to Hamilton Springs, but
So guys, हम अभी Hamilton pool जा रहे हैं, but everybody is really hungry except me, I guess. So we are trying to find some good restaurants, and probably gonna end up eating Chipotle, the most basic shit you can ever eat. Because he wants to eat Chipotle, and other people who are in that car wants to eat Chipotle. But yeah, this is the view of Austin downtown.
But I don't want Chipotle.
Yes, the girls, like both of us, we don't want Chipotle. Like, it's like basic है यार. मतलब कहीं भी खा सकते हैं. मतलब खाते ही रहते हैं यार Chipotle तो यार. छड़ो. So we are here for paddle boarding. It's called Live Love Paddle, and I am on my GoPro because obviously it's gonna be in water, so I cannot grab my other camera. But yeah, that was थोड़ी extra info थी. But right. Lane left. Hey, उभी अपने right ना समझे ना right. So we are back at the hotel. We had a little change in plans. We were supposed to go to Hamilton Pool, but then we ended up going for kayaking. And for now we are resting. We have some other things planned for tonight, but I don't think I'll be vlogging that part. But tomorrow we'll be going to Hamilton Pool and some other places. Of course you guys will see because I'm vlogging. So I wanted to talk to you guys about me not posting anything on YouTube for almost over a year. Well, I am studying, obviously I'm in a university and it's kind of hard to manage everything, but I'm learning, and plus I was not in a good state of mind emotionally, I guess. So yeah, but right now I'm amazing, as you guys can see, and I'm learning how to manage everything and I have to make myself better at what I'm doing. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy my stuff, and hopefully I'll be posting kind of regularly, at least once a month. That's at least my goal. So it's day 2 and I'm ready. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. So I'm wearing skirt again because I'm super obsessed with skirts. This skirt is from Forever 21. This sweatshirt is from H&M. And yes, and of course I'm wearing feelers once again. I need more sneakers, man. But yes, this is me, all dolled up. जैसे मैंने कल की क्लिप में बोला था कि we were gonna go to Hamilton Pool today, but unfortunately we could not go because the entry was only by reservations, and the reservation is not until like 5 days after today. They are fully packed, and I guess this is a new rule. I don't know, पहले ऐसा नहीं था, but now वो ऐसा rule है. So couldn't go. I missed out on a really pretty place, but it's fine. I'll come back because it's only like 4 hours away from my place. But right now we are at Oasis. It's a really famous restaurant in Austin on a really famous lake, which is Lake Travis. मुझे बहुत टाइम से अपना खुद का ऐसा कार्टून का ड्राइंग बनाना था, सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम गोना डू नाउ. my god, it's so cute.
I'm gonna put it in a plastic cover
Okay.
to protect it.
Super
Okay?
nice.
Have a good afternoon.
So I'm back home in my room. I unpacked everything, took a shower, and here I am in my bed. Finally, I'm so tired. This was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you didn't, I really hope to get better and entertain you guys to my fullest. And yes, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Love you.